Hello, it's Wednesday the 31st. I'm FxPlew and this is the month-end market brief. Now, Deputy PM Angela Rayner was on. She announced plans to reintroduce mandatory house building targets with 370,000 new homes to be built each year. Some expect this to trigger a NIMBY revival, and some fear infrastructure issues will be caused by short-sighted planners or perhaps those strapped for cash or under time pressure to meet their targets. Diane Abbott and Jeremy Corbyn have both expressed concern and disappointment over the plans to means test pensioners for the winter fuel payment, which, don't forget, even old Sunak, the nasty billionaire, described as essential welfare for the elderly while he was still PM. But Reeves has inherited a hole in the country's finances, and she probably lacks the confidence or the arrogance of Hunt and Sunak in thinking higher tax revenue will come generated by a growing economy just to bridge the gap and fill the hole and bail us out. But hey ho, they were voted out of government before their plan was finished. Over in the US, the Fed is expected to conclude their meeting with Powell acknowledging that inflation is now fairly well controlled, but the strength of the employment market remains a concern. JOLTS job openings reported a marginal fall, but it's unlikely to be enough to see a rate cut before September. Powell will likely confirm the Fed's position as one that will cut rates soon, but it's unlikely we'll get any more clarity on when soon may be. Don't forget, over the past few months, the Fed members have rather flip-flopped from expecting 3 or 4 rate cuts this year down to a single rate cut or no rate cut. And of course, in the past few weeks, even a rate hike has been discussed. So Powell wants to avoid being boxed into a corner too soon, like the ECB was. Suggestion of a September rate cut is the most likely outcome, with the caveat that the Fed remains data-driven entirely. In the market, the dollar index peaked around 104.80 yesterday, and we kick off this morning around 128.45 against the dollar, 118.65 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 108.25 on the open. That's it from me, wishing you an energetic and enthusiastic month-end closing day, but don't forget, no sandbagging.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.